Okay, this is your homework. We did this in class. Let's see. We didn't do some of these in class. This will be on your test tomorrow. So when you do this, you divide that by 2. 160, I'll show you how we do that. 168, 2 divide by 2 equals to 81. So you put 2 times 81. And then 81, we can divide that by 9. So 9 and 9. 9 gets 9. You can stop there because you have a pair of 9. So your answer is 9 times 9 times 2. You got one pair of 9, which is 9 to the first, um, radical 2. Radical 2. And that's your answer. Okay, and same thing with 32. So you can see 32, you divide by 2. Let's say you didn't do divide by 4. Let's say 32 divided by 4, 8. 4 times 8. And this is 2 times 4. You can stop here if you want because you have one pair of 4. See that? You can do 4 times 4. That's a pair times 2. When you have a pair, you can stop if the other one can't go any further. Radical 2. So 4 radical 2. We did this in class. We didn't do this in class here. So something like this, definitely number 5 will be on tomorrow's quiz, okay? That's a quiz question, and we did that in class, so I hope you took good notes on it. And this will be a quiz question, and we did it in class. I'll do this one, so they're both very similar. It's going to be like this, where C is missing, so most of you can get it right. I'll do this one here. Sean and Franklin want to put a custom-made round table into their dining room. The tabletop is made out of glass with a diameter of this. Okay, table needs to go through the door. The front door is 37 inches by 82 inches. Tall. Sean thinks that the tabletop will fit through the door, but Frankie does not. Let's see, who is correct? What is the maximum length the door will fit? Okay, who is correct? Okay, what maximum length the door can fit is going this way, right here. Let's see. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. 37 plus 82 squared equals to c squared. 37 squared is 37 times 37. Uh-oh, wrong one. Sorry. Right next to the calendar. 37 times 37. 1369. That's what I put here. And then 82 times 82 equals 6,724 equals to c squared. Add it. Add 1369 equals 8093 equals to c squared. Take the square root. Take the square root. The square root of that. Okay, get a calculator. Okay, the square root of 8093 8.93. Oh no, not point. Square root of 8093. Enter. So the door can fit as much as the diagonal. C squared is the doorway, the biggest doorway. The door can take up to 89.96 inches. So the table's 88, so the door can go in. The table can go through. The table can go through because the table is smaller than the doorway. The table can pass through the door because 88 inches is smaller than 89.96 inches. Okay, and I'll do this one so that those of you who didn't get it hopefully watch the video and can get it. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b supports the 90-degree angle. 13 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared, or p. P is c. 169 plus 100, 269 equals to p squared. Take the square root. The square root of 269. Oh my gosh. Calculator again. I should leave it up. Square root of 269 equals 14.401. P equals to 14.401, so it's 14.4 inches. Find the perimeter at all sides. Perimeter equals 13 plus 10 plus 14.4. And that gives you P equals to 37.4 inches. And that's what's going to be on the test. These are all review. Make sure these will be on there. Rational, perfect square, 8/1. This is rational, fraction, 5/3, irrational, not a perfect square, three times pi, because of pi it's irrational, because of pi. -40/1, rational. Fraction of -40/1. Pi, irrational. Perfect square, rational. Rational because it's fraction 20/1. Any number that can be made into a fraction is called rational number, okay? And then we did this, some class we did in class, but this will be on your test. That's the same as the ones up here. So I'll do a couple more of these, okay? So you can see. So that's K's, Got 1, 2, 3, so k to the third, and that's radical k. That's your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, x squared. 5 of them. 1, 2, m to the second, and that gets the square root of m. $90, 9 times 10, 2 times 5, 3 times 3, up. It's 3 square root of, both of these gets a square root of 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, that's how you do that. I would take 2 times 6, 2, 5, 5 times 1, 2, 5. 5 times 25, 5 times 5, 5 squared, radical 2, or 25 radical 2. You won't have anything as hard as that. You'll just have these types right here and right there, okay? Mostly like this and like this. Not even that hard, like 50. Like one of these we did in class. Okay. Solving equations. Additive inverse, invisible number, distribute, distribute. 5x plus 4x plus a negative 6. 9x plus a negative 6. Okay. Minus 9x minus 9x. Negative 6 does not equal to 6, no solution. Distribute, distribute. Add 10. Combine these. Get negative 32. Okay, add 8x. No solution. Oh no, that's not 0 here. So wrong, that's 14x. Add 32. 35 equals to 4x, divide by 4. That's your answer. Okay. Make that no solution, so you have to solve this first and find which one of these number creates infinite mini solution. Alrighty, you try that one. Make sure you distribute a negative 1 first. Additive inverse. That gives you negative 9m plus a 6, and then plus a 3m. That equals just what number plus 6? 6m plus 6. So the missing number is 6m. Then you have infinite solution.